Alright guys, we got the 87 Toyota in the garage. The bed's on it. We're all set to start working on it. So we got our Sky Manufacturing Chevy 63 leaf spring rear kit for a Toyota right here in the box, ready to open up. And then we got our 87 in here. And it came with this 12 bolt rear end out of a K5 Blazer. So we're going to get that pulled and get their backyard DIY tweaker valley mounts cut off here, welded on with like gasless welding. Gross. But yeah, so we got to zip the U-bolts out, pull this axle, undo the rear shackle mounts, the factory ones here, get those zipped off, and then we'll be all set to put our Sky Manufacturing front sloped hangers on and new rear shackle mounts and their entire kit. So let's get started, guys. Let's pull this rear end and let's get this stuff installed. Good progress today on the Toyota, bros. We got the Sky Manufacturing Skies Off-Road design, still hot. Front slope spring hanger installed in its position. Their rear shackle hanger installed in its position. And now we got our Toyota rear axle in, set up and ready. And our Chevy 63s ready to go on. Tomorrow, we're going to go ahead, paint these mounts, and then we'll go ahead and get the leaf springs in position, get the axle U-bolted on, and then get its shock mounts installed and the Bilstein shocks installed, hook up the emergency brake cable, and then also hook up the brake line. And then we got to measure for a drive line. So we'll catch you guys in the AM. Picking up where we left off yesterday, bros, we got to paint the front sloped hangers, paint the rear shackle mounts up in here, and then also paint the shackles on my plasma table shelf here. Get these painted, get the leaf springs installed, get the U-bolts, U-bolt flip plates painted, U-bolt the axle on, and move on to the shock cross member and Bilstein shocks. Let's do it.